So let me start with a very beautiful example of a death certificate issues. There was a case, great case happened in Mumbai long back. Why cardiologist was having his own hospital, was a regular, being visited by a old man, a Parsi Baba, for element of ischemic heart disease and allied problems. 73-year-old was always accompanied by the daughter, regularly treated by these doctor. One fine day, the girl called a doctor और फोन पे उन्होंने बोला कि my father died. And sir, for disposing of the body, we need a certificate. Since doctor was out of station, was aware about the disease of the patient, was a regular patient of this doctor, aware about every element. So this doctor, believing the story of that girl, have instructed RMO, the registered medical officer of that particular hospital, who was Aish doctor, to issue a certificate for this lady. And the cause of death was narrated by the doctor on a call, which was issued by RMO. एक common factor है, अगर हमारे बहुत सारे डॉक्टर हमारे जो हॉस्पिटल में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, आरएमओ की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, उनको भी ये पता होगा कि किसी भी डॉक्टर या कंसल्टेंट के अंदर का पेशेंट एक्सपायर होता है तो उनको कॉल आ जाता है कि आप सर्टिफिकेट दे दीजिए. सो दे कैन गिव, देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन दैट दे कैन नॉट गिव, दे कैन गिव बीइंग अ रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर. सो सेम हैपेंड इन दिस केस. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? द बॉडी वाज टेकन फॉर डिस्पोजल. पारसी के अंदर they take to and they hang in well. During that process, the friend of that particular Parsi Baba, who was aware about the dispute in house, had anonymously complained to the police officer that my friend has died unnaturally, not naturally. In my opinion, he was murdered. On a suspicion, then police have to intervene. उन्होंने body निकाल के they sent for the postmortem, and postmortem report came. Surprisingly, shockingly, it was murder. The culprit got arrested, doctor got arrested, RMO got arrested, they got a bail. And then actual story revealed. The story was that Parsi Baba was not happy with affair of her adopted daughter. She was adopted daughter, who fallen in love with the driver of that particular Parsi Baba. Parsi Baba had objected this affair because she was rich and the driver was poor. Threatened that I will remove you from the property rights. Fearing that they are going to lose the property, the adopted daughter and the driver have murdered this Parsi Baba to or get the money after selling the property or whatever. And doctor was unaware about this fact and given a death certificate innocently, unintentionally rather. लेकिन ट्रायल कोर्ट में जब मैटर गया तो शायद डॉक्टर उसको प्रूफ नहीं कर पाए, प्रेजेंटेशन प्रॉपर हुआ नहीं, इंटेंशन प्रूव हुआ. Murderer got convicted for life imprisonment, but doctor got punishment of 3 years jail. RMO got acquitted. 3 years jail क्यों? कहीं ना कहीं लीनियंसी डाला होगा कोर्ट ने, क्योंकि इंडियन पीनल कोड IPC सेक्शन 197 very clearly says, 191 or 197 very clearly says, giving a false certificate for the evident purpose or giving a false certificate is a heinous crime which attracts 7 years punishment, non-bailable offense. मतलब 7 साल की सजा है. And section 201 of IPC says, doing an act for wiping of evidence of a crime is actionable crime, where punishment is going to be 1/4 of punishment of original offense or up to 3 years. इन दोनों सेक्शन में डॉक्टर अरेस्ट हुआ क्योंकि गिविंग अ सर्टिफिकेट टू वाइप ऑफ एविडेंस ऑफ अ क्राइम और हाइडिंग द क्रिमिनल इज गोइंग टू बी अ टफ. 3 साल के सजा के बाद द होल लाइफ ऑफ दैट डॉक्टर हैज गॉट रिवेंड. आरएमओ का एक्विटल क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि ब्यूटीफुल जनरल क्लॉज ऑफ this particular IPC says in section 52 and section 53, doing any act in good faith on the order of superior where you are legally bound to, you have been protected in the law. इस केस में RMO was legally bound to follow the order of consultant. ग्रॉस मिस्टेक थी हमारे डॉक्टर की कि उन्होंने पेशेंट को एग्जामिन किया, न डिटेल जानने की कोशिश की, एंड दिस इज द कॉमनेस्ट थिंग व्हिच हैपेंस. सो पनिशमेंट तो हुआ, रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल हुआ, क्योंकि सुओ मोटो एक्शन मेडिकल काउंसिल कैन टेक इन एनी क्रिमिनल केस. लाइफ रुइंड हो गई. फ्रेंड, आप सोचो कि डेथ सर्टिफिकेट ने क्या सिचुएशन क्रिएट किया हमारे डॉक्टर के लिए. हमारे एकेडमिक ईयर में सिखाया जाता है फ्रेंड कि डेथ सर्टिफिकेट देना है तो नेकेड बॉडी एग्जामिन करो टू फाइंड आउट द ट्रुथ बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट द पेशेंट कुड हैव बीन डाइड. बाकी साइन सिम्टम तो आप देखते ही हो कॉज ऑफ डेथ असर्टन करने के लिए, लेकिन साथ में इसलिए भी आप एग्जामिन करते हो बॉडी को कि कहीं अननेचुरल डेथ का कोई साइन सिम्टम तो नहीं है. लेकिन दैट हैज नॉट बीन फॉलोड अक्रॉस द कंट्री. माय रिक्वेस्ट एंड हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरी सिंगल प्रैक्टिशनर हियर, प्लीज, if you really wish to give a death certificate, do examine the body. Without examining the body, don't give a certificate. Preferably naked examine or at least search for the clue. अगर आपको clue दिखता है कि इधर hemorrhage है, tongue bar है, injury mark है, ligature mark है, something unnatural, please don't indulge in giving a death certificate that could turn out to be murder.